In this brief tutorial, we will show you how to remove message button on Facebook. This button lets others send you messages, but if you'd prefer not to get messages from strangers or anyone, you can easily turn off this feature. First, open the Messenger app and tap the three line in the top left corner of your screen. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right and choose Privacy and Settings. On this page, scroll down to the Who Can Reach You section. You'll find Message Delivery option. Tap it. Select Friends of Friends on Facebook and then choose Don't Receive Requests. Now confirm by tapping Update Settings. From now on, only your friends will be able to message you. If you don't want messages from a specific friend, simply unfriend them and they won't be able to contact you anymore. That's the end of the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.